cidade da China e vamos fazer algumas compras e nos ofereceram essa mini árvore de Natal e ela acende e vamos experimentar quando chegarmos em casa. Cada um desses daqui. Vamos ver se conseguimos achar. Ai, tá tão frio. Nós vamos pegar um desse que é um difusor. Mário, queres o rosa ou queres o branco? Eu prefiro o branco. Viemos aqui para procurarmos difusor de cheiro. Yeah. O Mário foi, desligou a máquina de AC e assim que a tia afastou, ele ligou de novo. Crianças. Pessoal, tá com um clima de chuva muito grande, eu vou vos mostrar.
Na Rússia, olha, esse é um prato típico.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke that make you feel you float.
Estamos aqui, papá, entrevista com o senhor Mário Martins. Papá diz esta comida estava deliciosa em russo.
Nasza obiad сегодняшний в семейном округе очень приятно, вкусно.
Isso tudo.
Muito bem.
Eu
E
disse, almoço meio familiar, foi agradável. Familiar, ça fait longtemps qu'on n'a pas mangé ensemble.
e agora no interior.
Almoço se tava doce muito.
You know joke or you pressure, you know it. You know it. You know. I don't follow the pressure.
The only baskin that I like was before Robin season. Everything you have is all you need, like ramen seasoning. You don't know what love is till you bleed. My heart is healing, working on thinking before I speak. I do a lot of reading. Should've been, could've been, would've been. Some of my thoughts are working these weeks out and in. Is it more to life than working for the weekend? Is it more to life than holidays to sleep in? But let me quit projecting. That little cubicle could really be my own protection. Some insulation while I wait for divine selection. But can I question some of the methods of my perfection? It's got me second guessing all of my purpose is. But maybe I'm just relearning what purpose is. Maybe it's that already, not yet. Either way, could we please speed up the process?
I've been trying to figure it out. Feels like I went to school to learn how to get booked down. Trying to figure it out. Feels like I went to school to learn how to get booked down. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There you go.
From me,
I'll provide it. I'ma get it done for trying. Tell me you the one, no lying. Ain't no other one like I am. Baby, come close, get your heart rate climbing. We can go slow if it ain't the right timing. In the bedroom with the right lighting. Love it when